This 1969 Hemi Roadrunner is one like you've never seen before. Thanks to a 6.1-liter third-gen Hemi that cranks out 425 horsepower, taut leather upholstery, and extensive work to both its body and chassis, this Roadrunner is a true modern-day muscle car. Purchased as a used 2008 Charger SRT8, stripped down to its bare chassis and capped with a restored Roadrunner body, this Plymouth is the product of an extensive and unique build. The paint is first-rate, displaying a level of depth that factory-sprayed cars simply cannot compete with. And the color itself is made up of 6 coats of Lotus Calypso Red, which is shot over impressively straight AMD panels. Open the doors and you'll find a clean leather interior that's all 21st century comfort. Power front bucket seats seem surreal when combined with the awesome view over that gorgeous 69 Roadrunner hood. A leather-wrapped steering wheel laps a tilting column, which toggles under silver face gauges. And a snazzy pistol grip shifter complements dual-zone climate control and 6.5-inch touchscreen audio that controls DVD-based navigation and SiriusXM radio. Lift the silver-trimmed hood and you'll find 6.1 liters of SRT8 Hemi that cranks out a stout 425 horsepower at 6,200 RPMs. That power is managed by a 5-speed AutoStick automatic and 306 gears. It simply does not get much better than this awesome Roadrunner Restomod. Mixing plenty of power with modern convenience and timeless looks, this classic certainly won't last long in our showroom. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.